Hello everybody. I wanted to do a quick video. It's not going to be on finishing up the app right now, as though you see our user interface is here. It's actually going to be how to load the emulator. If you go up here to connect, you'll see three options. The AI Companion, which is the app I told you about in the first video that you can download from Google Play. If you're still interested, it's MIT AI2 Companion. And you can download it onto your phone, and this will set you up with a QR code or a code you can type in, and you can run the app via Wi-Fi with that. The emulator is basically a phone that's in your computer that we downloaded earlier that you'll be able to run the emulator, and it'll be a little phone that comes up on your screen, or USB if you chose to connect via USB. But for the emulator, we'll just click on that, and you'll see that it says starting the Android emulator, please wait, this might take a minute or two. Well, it's really not lying when it says it might take a minute or two. So you'll see this is what it looks like. I'm going to pause this now and let this load, and I'll unpause it and come back when it starts to actually load a bit, because it takes a little while. Alright, so I unpaused the video here. You'll see this looks like the old school Android phones we used to get back when Android first became popular, where you had to slide the lock over. And the reason they do that is this is basically the Android operating system built into your computer into this program. And what it's doing is it's running a bare version of the Android operating system with the MIT AI2 Companion built into it right on your computer. And see, it even says here MIT AI2 Companion, so that you can test your apps right on your computer without having to put them on your phone. It's convenient once the emulator is loaded, but as you'll see, it takes a while to load. A lot of times you'll get errors too. It's not the most stable of things. On that particular one, I just clicked wait, and it will load. I'm going to pause it again. I'll show you when it's loaded. Oh, don't have to pause it. Here it is. So this is the user interface. As you can see, it's everything that's here comes up on here. It doesn't always look on here like what it'll look like on your phone. Like you see, the buttons might not look like that on your phone. They might look different depending on which version of Android is on your phone. But you get the gist of it. And this is the emulator. And when you switch back and forth between apps, this emulator is supposed to switch with you in real time. I say supposed to because you're going to be reloading this a lot. In the event you should have to reload it, go to Connect, go to Reset Connection. If you're doing AI Companion or USB, you might have to do Hard Reset. But for this one, you should just have to do Reset Connection. Okay? So that's the emulator. I'm going to actually do another video now on the blocks editor, which is over here, and you'll be seeing that in the next video, and that'll be how to get this app to work. Alrighty, thank you, I'll see you there.